Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some quick and easy steps on how to become a vendor on Fire Kirin. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any one browser of your choice. Then tap on the search bar and type Fire Kirin website. Tap on the first link that appears from the result. Next, tap on the three horizontal line icon from the top of your screen. From the menu that pops up, click on Contact. Tap on the Become a Vendor option. Now enter your first name, last name, phone number, email, and message to become a vendor. After you have entered all the information, tap on Get in Touch with Fire Kirin button. It will take some time to get your request approved. After your request is approved, create your vendor profile and promote your brand. And that's how you can become a vendor on Fire Kirin.